Gas, baby. Gas. Gas. Okay na? Oh, okay. Okay, how do you do it?
Pero you have to drive the patrol like that.
Okay.
Gusto niyo ba ng table para may upuan tayo doon? Tapos magbubukasan na ako ng tent?
Yeah.
Ha? O sige.
Para makaupo ako.
Ikaw nga, ganyan-ganyan ka. Magbibihis ka ba o hindi?
Ready for ano ah?
Parang sasabak sa gera.
Sa'yo. Try mo nga.
Ang ganda naman ng colors. Oh, it's all blue and black.
Medyo...
Try mo muna.
Pwede.
Kasha?
I'll drive like this.
Ha? Yeah, but we're gonna bring the bikes and then ano na tayo. Okay. Right, you're all set.
It's nice. It's so cool.
Ay, mahulog ka na doon. Okay. An, ikaw? Mag-ano?
Let's go! I didn't know that you really have to adjust this way.
Ha? Pag ikot your helmet muna, relax eh. Ako lang mag-segment lang.
Pwedeng hindi naman.
Diba?
Bagay sa'yo.
Down is what? Down. Okay. Neutral is half.
When you go down from neutral, first gear. When you go full click, after first gear, second gear, and tapos at the end, third gear.
Neutral.
Dito mo yung abante motor.
Bibidyohan ko nga siya eh.
Mamaya na.
Ganda ng Honda.
Mamaya na. Pwede ka naman umupo doon.
Yan ang ano ko. Yan ang pwesto ko. You find me here.
So you familiar yourself with the bike, di ba? Nagmamaneho ka naman ng car na ano, di ba? Na may cambio. Okay. So this is the start. Okay, there are some bikes na may kick. This is the start. And then if ever you fall down, like this bike, meron siyang kill switch na kaagad. Okay. Then you just have to off the engine and off, tapos nag-reprogram ulit yung engine. Pero yung mga ibang bike, pag nahulog, you have to do the kill switch talaga. Okay? And then ito yung signal lights, ito yung busina. Okay. Now, well, you know the gas, di ba? Ang cambio nito, it's 1 down, 5 up. Kasi 6 gears to eh.
One down is for what? Just
1 down,
first neutral.
tapos 5 up. Ang clutch mo ito.
So slowly
Ito ang
parang
preno.
parang
Pag
kotse
you
rin ganun. Sabay
If you
timpla.
never press this one, kasi pwede kang masubsob. So basically, ito yung preno mo sa... So basically, pag nang pumatay tayo, lahat ng kamay nagagalaw. You ride the bike. Abot mo naman. Wala muna tayong ano. So, hindi ka muna magsa-start. Ang neutral niya, ganyan. 1 down, todo, tapos neutral. Okay, forward.
Can you get Tito Mike's helmet, please? Can you get Tito Mike's helmet?
Todong down, tuk, 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 todo. Pero, ang paa mo, hindi ito. Ito ang magalaw. Tuk, tuk, tuk. This one. Yan. And then 1 up. 1 up na swabe. Up. yan ang neutral. Okay? So, ang bike natin, we go first gear, clutch muna. Clutch, first gear is down.
Thank you.
Fuck, down ang first gear. Second gear is up. Third gear.
Up.
Third gear is up, up, up. Pag sa kotse, nag-1 minute tayong yung downshift ka. So you're gonna go downshift.
It will show naman here.
Yes, pero ngayon, first gear lang tayo.
Ah.
Hindi tayo mag-shifting muna. First gear muna tayo.
Okay.
Balance muna tayo ng bike. Get out of the bike para makita mo na the bike is very simple. Isa pa, when you ride a bike, you don't ride a bike like that. Normally, you stand the bike, you step here, then you ride the bike.
Okay.
That's how you ride the bike here. Then you sit down. Try it nga. Ride the bike. That's how you ride the bike. Bike, big bike or what. Now, baba tayo. To see the balance of the bike. Diba? Here's the bike. Para makita mo yung balance ng bike. Okay. You see the balance. So you know how heavy your bike is. With one hand, you put it down. Hey, let me give it to me first. See? You just balance the bike going in. Coming nga that one. Para you could feel the heaviness lang. Okay, balance ha. I'll leave the bike already ha. Okay, balance. Turn around with that balance. Sige, Aaron. Try mo lang i-balance. Diba? Now, if the bike falls, nahulog yung motor. Diba? Nahulog yung motor. Normally, pag nahulog ang motor, the bike is down, diba? I want you to carry the bike nakaganyan and then carry. At saka isang carry na nakaganyan. And carry. Okay? Sige, try it.
Mukhang mabigat.
Ganyan. Baksak mo yung ganyan. Sige, baksak mo yung bike niya. Dahan-dahan lang. The bike falls down, carry. Again. Make the bike fall down again. No. Let it go down. Ganito yung gulong ha. Ganyan yung gulong. Buhatin mo kasi ganyan. Carry. Try the other way around. Carry. Heavy? Yeah.
Yeah.
So in short, whenever you fall down, when you carry the bike, kasi siyempre pagod ka na sa trail, di ba? I-carry mo pa ganyan.
Okay.
Diba? Para at least alam mo na. So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go first gear lang. Okay. Look at me ha.
Parang car.
Let it go lang, dahan-dahan para mapili. Dahan-dahan lang ha. Yan ang preno niya para mapili. Hindi, ganyan lang na. Feel mo muna, gas ka muna, gas. So, first gear clutch. Hindi ka nag-clutch kaya namatay. Okay, it's like a car. Okay? Neutral muna. Upon, wait. Okay, start. Every time you stop, clutch. Parang kotse. Every time you do anything, clutch. Dahan-dahan mo bitawan yung clutch. Dahan-dahan. Up, gas. Again. Dahan lang. Clutch. Try lang dito. Dire-diretso ka lang, tapos tigil. Gas. Clutch, stop. You have to know how to stop, bro. Yeah. kailangan bitaw mo ng clutch.
Wait, Carl!
you have to have gloves. Look, ang daming tumusok sa akin, no?
Yeah, sa plants.
There's extra gloves there, Carl.
Daming, look, you have to put gloves. Look, ang daming tumusok na corn. Aray, where's my glove?
Thank you, baby.
Oh, you're welcome.
Sweaty.
You look like a pro.
No,
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a hang of.
I
The clutch
think
is
you're
easy,
doing
parang
it
car
now well.
talaga.
Iba-iba
Kamay
clutch.
lang.
I'll let you drive this later.
Okay. This
Parang
is,
yun lang ako.
This is a little bit more heavier.
Iba, may ano.
Oh, parang kotse rin.
Hindi,
Iba-iba rin yung...
mas madali to. Test mo na.
But it's fun.
Yeah, mas madali
Ano
yung
ikaw?
yellow.
Mas madali.
Mas madali yung yellow.
Mas magaan to eh.
Smaller. Parang, di ko alam. Pwede, yan, yung maliit.
Yeah, you probably can.
I can?
Sana mas maaga kayo.
Okay lang.
Shoot mo lang.
Basta...
Clutch lang, clutch.
Okay. Oh my God! Baka lumipad, Carlo, ha?
First gear. First gear. Wala sa first gear. Auto. Auto.
Galing, oh.
Full battle yan.
Oh, very good.
You wanna try the other bike? You get it?
Is it easier? You like it better? You like it better? Or the
they're
other one's
different
better?
I mean, sometimes I like this one. It's heavier.
Do you like the heavier? I think that's for me.
These are classic bike.
Yeah.
Pang babae yata to eh.
Test mo na.
Drink water, babe.
Let's go, babe.
Yung clutch kasi first gear ka, clutch. First gear.
First gear. Yan.
Okay, concentrate. Alright?
And give it some gas, babe. Pag slowly. Slowly give it gas. Yan. Oh, go gas, baby. Gas. Gas. Nice. Slowly on the corner.
Since like what, mga 30, 40 years na.
Let's go, babe.